Is continuation of the previous lecture. Before lecture, I explained the different case studies, like Google example, LinkedIn example, and also online shopping example. Everything I explained. Okay, how it all depends on the product analytics. Okay, let us take another thing is education industry. Okay, assume that some engineering college is there. What happens? This is some school level and this is a graduate level. Some students are just listening to the teacher what she is explaining, and here some doctor, and assume that some faculty is teaching you something, and also the faculty monitor the different student performance by assessing the overall performance like assignments, mid exams. Different things can be evaluated according to the student thing, where punctuality, regularity, these are the depends on analyzing the data, and also products will be there, like board is be there, chalk is there, benches are there, and everything there, all resources are be there. Some more resources like library will be there, practicals there, labs are there. These are the things should be noted. And also we need to analyze the data. That's it. And also here this is the agenda. Okay, this is the agenda, like plan, some create tuition system, and also course material will be offered to each and every student, and also requirements will be given to the each and every student, and also proper right education will be given, and also some tests will be performed, test will be created for each and every student, and also immediate feedback of student be given to the faculty, how they are teaching, and whether satisfying the course properly or not, satisfying their doubts. Everything will be there. We need to analyze the education need and places also, some good place without any disturbance. Yes, and also some day curriculum will be there with software programs. Suppose assume that Monday to Saturday working days except public holidays and Sundays, and also some daily routine will be there. Oh, and also software programs can be done practically in labs. That also some weekly minimum 2 times lab will be done. Otherwise you won't get knowledge also. Okay, that type of curriculum should be maintained, and also continuous learning should be made in order to assess the student. Okay, if you get any break in learning, then you will not get awareness of subject. Okay, that's very thing that should be noted. And also some more continuation. This is a bar graph, like performance in some 1 month, performance will be high, and 1 month some performance is not good, and we need to detect and matches grades. If you depending on your marks, only grades will be evaluated, and students score will be one of the requirement, and comparing with different students, academics, attendance, financial, disciplinary, engagement data, everything will be there. And also it enhances student experience. Student experience also very important. Okay, how he is performing with and whether he can do or not, some creative will be created or not, it will be noted. This take the education system, different universities. Okay, some school, graduate school of management universities improve student performance by extracting data to monitor and predict their performance. Yes, definitely. Assume that JNTU is there, they will just improve the student performance. They always assess the student only to bring to the high level. They need to extract the data to monitor their performance. How the performance can be predicted according to the student, how he performs according to the mid marks, according to the semester exams and practicals, and overall performance, regularity, punctuality, attendance. Everything will be predicted. What happens in this? Assume that some chemistry laboratory, okay, it reduces the cost of treatment and some medical thing. It predicts outbreaks of epidemics. It also improves the quality of life, avoids preventable diseases. It is all related to the some medicine, medical. Okay, healthcare industry. What is the main goal of healthcare? It helps the doctor make data-driven decisions and improve patients' treatment. Previous, I told about completely education industry. In this lecture, I am going to tell on healthcare. Okay, and the main goal of the healthcare is to help doctors make data-driven decisions, and also it improves the patient's treatment. You need to treat the patient in a right manner, and also predicts who is at a risk of disease. Early stages only if you take the proper precautions, then it will be cured very soon. If any skill testing here and also advice, the doctors will give advice to patient, some taking preventive measures. Assume that some patient approaching doctor, she will understand by checking the stethoscope and they detect warning signs of serious illness as there is. Then preventive measures will be suggested by this doctor and patient will be patient will note this point and will take some medicines and at some early stages only it will cure. And also analyzes medical data and help at make prescriptive decisions. Right decisions is very important at early stage only. It also tells the doctor in real time to provide timely treatment. Yeah, if you take the treatment in right manner only, then it will be cured very soon. And also, doctor will collect patient's health data continuously and send this to cloud. Yeah, yeah. So many patients are there. We need to collect the data and periodical intervals. We need to collect the data and we'll store in the cloud storage. Store in cloud. And also some government welfare schemes there. This is one more thing. So many schemes are there. What is the main reason of using welfare schemes? We need to collect a lot of information, relevant information, and also the area we choose to pay proper attention and enact changes quickly if required. If any changes there, we need to make it very quickly. Okay, and we need to make the fast decision and monitor them. These are the things. He'll track and monitor land and livestock in a country, and he'll find right candidates for jobs and shorten the duration of unemployment. Yes, these are the some of the examples I mentioned. Some village poultry farm and jobs related right candidate. Okay, they're interviewing the right candidate and also shorten the duration of unemployment. Okay, cyber crime agencies. These are the taken by the government agencies to detect the suspicious activity. How if you any person theft, we need to identify with sensor agencies like a fire alarm, any CC cameras. We need to predict who is, and also deceit is one of the them. It will detect the suspicious activity, and also it should avoid the intrusion and invasion based on some latest trends, right? Okay, and also project insight. If you are doing any project, we need to track the people's profiles, how they are doing, and the proper team is doing or not. And also depends on the social media, and also how much the for resource, how much we must spend something expenditure, monitoring. It all depends on the particular resource we use for project. One other is weather forecasting. In previous lectures also I told about weather forecasting. We need to forecast. We need to predict the temperature for the next days. Next day, okay. Here, data analytics play important role to take actions in advance. Suppose if any cyclone they were the next, we need to alert for before only, to not go outside. That is a type of the predictive analytics to take proper planning and also to fight global warming, and also different patterns are there. If you look at this, these are the different patterns. Weather problems, floods, there we need to predict the floods, not to go the seashore place. If any cyclone there, like that, some suggestions will be there, and also upgrading existing facilities. Uh, One of the company called IBM, what it will do, it provides weather casting, and also we need to provide forecast for extremely specific locations. It also differs from other weather forecasting systems. Yes, these are all be maintained by the IBM only. These are the areas it works for IBM: severe flood areas, tropical storm directions, snow areas, down power line locations, windy areas, damaged bridges and roads, cancel flights at specific airports. Yeah, definitely. If any temperature got vary and any cyclone there, these are the things that should be noted. Observation. This will be noted by the IBM only. Hmm? That is the end of the lecture. Okay. These are the things we learned in data analytics in different sectors. Analytics for products as well. These all topics related to products only. Everything will be depend on the product only. That's about the completion of this lecture, and keep continuing. And one data analytics also very important. Okay, in market. Okay, you need to get awareness of data analytics. Okay, so the things I explained to you, go through these ones, and if any doubt you can ask me. I will clarify your doubt. And keep watching. And some more lectures will be there in data analytics. Keep continuing. Okay, thank you.